Hi guys, it's Mrs. Duncan. I am reading our story for social skills group for Friday. Last week we read Thinking with Your Eyes the first time through, where I just read it straight through and don't explain any of the concepts. So this time we're gonna go ahead and do some explaining. So, Thinking with Your Eyes, Adventure in Space. So here's our first page. We have our thinking bubble here. It looks like a cloud. It's got the dots to everybody's heads. And everybody has a thought. So this is the group plan. Remember, we learned about the group plan last week. So their group plan is an adventure in space. Evan, Ellie, Jesse, and Molly are planning to go to outer space. Like we said, that's the group plan. They pack their backpacks and climb into their rocket ship. 3, 2, 1, blast off. Okay, they're heading off to space. The kids land on an alien planet and start to explore. Let's think with our eyes. Look around. What do we see? So I'm going to think with my eyes, and usually when I'm reading this book, it's where I would ask you guys to see what you think with your eyes and see. So I'm thinking with my eyes, and I see some aliens and some rocks, some moon rocks. I see some planets and some stars and an asteroid. I see a rocket. I see the kids. So I'm thinking with my eyes, because as I'm looking at the things, as I'm looking at the space rocks, the space rock is in my brain because I'm thinking about the space rock. Some friendly aliens see the kids. So they're thinking with their eyes. The aliens are thinking about them. So they're looking at the kids and they're thinking about the kids. So that is in their thinking bubble and it's in their eyes. When you look at something, you're thinking about it too. Evan, Ellie, Jesse, and Molly are looking at space rocks. Eyes are like arrows. So your eyes are like arrows. Eyes point to what we are looking at. So my eyes are like arrows. My eyes right now are pointing at the book because that's what I'm thinking about. See the kids' eyes? They are pointing to the space rocks. They are looking at the space rocks. I'm going to get really close because you can see the little arrows that they've drawn from their eyes to the space rocks because their eyes are like arrows. When we look at something, that means we are thinking about it. The kids are looking at the space rocks. They are thinking about the space rocks. So right now I am looking at my camera and I'm thinking about my camera because I'm recording my video. So my eyes are like arrows. They're pointing to the camera. And they're also, then that means that I'm thinking about my camera. One alien is looking at the backpack. See his eyes? His eyes are like arrows. They are pointing to Ellie's rainbow backpack. The alien is looking at and thinking about the rainbow backpack because his eyes are like arrows. He's looking at the rainbow backpack, so he's thinking about the rainbow backpack too. While Evan, Ellie, Jesse, and Molly are thinking about the space rocks, the aliens come over for a closer look at the backpack. Thunk, he dumps out the rainbow backpack. The kids turn around and see the alien. So their eyes are like arrows. They're looking at the alien, which means that they're thinking about the alien too. They are looking at and thinking about the alien. Oh no, all of the things in Ellie's backpack are on the ground. The alien is excited. He is looking at and thinking about the kids. He tries to talk to them. Bleep, bleep, bloop. Oh no. They don't understand. Huh? They don't understand what the alien is saying. What does bleep, bleep, bloop mean? The kids don't know what the alien wants. They don't know what he's thinking about. First, Evan gives him a cup, but the alien looks unhappy. Look, the alien is frowning. Does he want the cup? No, he did not want the cup. What does he want? Let's look at his eyes. His eyes are like arrows. Molly gives him the map. So here's the map over here. Is that what the alien's eyes were looking at? The map? No, The kids think with their eyes, and they see that the alien is still frowning. He still isn't happy. Did he want the map? No, he did not want the map. How can the kids figure out what the alien wants? Maybe we can help. Our eyes are like arrows. Aha! Think with your eyes. Let's look at the alien's eyes. Eyes are like arrows. They point to what someone is looking at. What is the alien looking at? The boots. The alien is looking at the boots. That is some good thinking with your eyes. That's right. The alien is looking at the cowboy boots. He is looking at and thinking about the cowboy boots. And now Evan, Ellie, Jesse, and Molly are thinking with their eyes, and they figure it out too. So the alien and the kids are looking at, and they're both thinking about the cowboy boots. Now they know what he is thinking about. He is so happy, and the kids are happy too. What is the alien looking at and thinking about now? What is his plan? So eyes are like arrows. What is he thinking about? He's still thinking about the cowboy boots. Evan, Ellie, Jesse, and Molly make guesses about his plan. So they are making guesses. So Evan's guessing that he's going to plant flowers in the boots. Ellie is guessing he's going to put the boots over his eyeballs. Jesse is thinking about he's going to play the boot like a guitar. And Molly thinks she's going to tie a rope around the boot and make it like a pet. Do any of those make sense? No, those don't make sense. The alien's plan was to put on the cowboy boots. He's wearing the cowboy boots, like boots should be. Evan, Ellie, Jesse, and Molly watch him dance around and think about how glad they are that they figured out what he wanted. The other aliens come out to watch too. Everybody wants to dance. Who will they dance with? Who are they looking at and thinking about? So Evan, his eyes are like arrows. He's looking at and thinking about this tall, stripy alien. Jesse's eyes are like arrows. He's going to dance with this star-shaped alien. Ellie is going to dance with this green dude with the cowboy boots on. And Molly's going to dance with the little red alien. The kids and the aliens are looking at and thinking about each other. What fun! It is time for the kids to go home. Their plan is to get back in their rocket ship. Evan, Ellie, Jesse, and Molly think with their eyes and notice the aliens looking at and thinking about their backpacks. So see, their eyes are all looking at their backpacks. Jesse has an idea. And here's a speech bubble. It's different from a thinking bubble because it doesn't have the cloud shape. It's just a circle with a little line. Jesse says, I have an idea. The kids think about each other, talk, and make a plan. They decide to share their toys and leave their backpacks with the aliens. Oh, that was nice. Evan, Ellie, Jesse, and Molly learned to think with their eyes. They didn't speak the same language as the aliens they met, but they used their eyes to figure out what the aliens were thinking. This made everyone feel good. The end. Okay, so our eyes are like arrows, and our eyes show us what someone's looking at, but it also shows us what they might be thinking about. So this might be a good activity to practice with your moms or dads or brothers or sisters or grandmas or grandpas or even some friends, is you can practice looking at different things around your house and see if your family members can figure out what you're thinking about or what you're looking at. Okay? All right, my friends. We only have a few more weeks to get together for videos. So I will see you next week. All right, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.